Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm here in my studio in New York City with Erica.
Hello.
And today we're gonna make a kind of a high contrast black and white portrait against a black background. So I wanted to do something that was really like, you know, super contrasty. So Erica brought a black dress and we're gonna kind of light it up really, you know, high contrast with a small HMI. I have my 200 HMI over here from Dedolight. So I'm basically just gonna spotlight her with it. Now I'm using Duvetyne as my background. The reason for that is you can probably see in the video, some of this light is gonna hit the background. I mean, I can feather it a little bit with the barn doors, but I wanna have enough on her, you know, because of the angle of it. So a little of it's gonna hit the background, and Duvetyne kind of eats up light, so it's good for that. So I'm gonna start just getting an exposure and shooting it, a frame, and then we'll get into capture one and we'll make an adjustment to make it the black and white that we desire. So let's see. I'm at, currently, I am 100 ISO, 2.8, 125. I'll make a shot, take a peek, okay. That looks pretty good. I just used the meter and the camera to get that, you know, nice and crispy. A lot of, oh, that's so cool. The shadows with the eyelashes is a nice punchy, good light, right? So we're gonna work with this, but I wanna get a nice black and white. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over. They do have good black and white stuff built into the Fuji, but I'm gonna kind of make my own here. So I'm gonna go down here, I'm in the color area. I'm gonna hit enable black and white, which makes it black and white, of course. And then because of what I mostly care about is her face, I'm gonna zoom in a bit, and I'm going to come over here. I'm gonna crank my reds up, like that. And what I do is I generally take each slider. For skin, for kind of the skin tone that Erica is, red and yellow are gonna make the most difference. You can see it kind of like cleaning it up there, or you can bring it down. See how the shadow is like on her chin? So I'm gonna bring the yellow up. I wanna kind of do almost like a washed out, old fashioned look, where we kind of blow it out. But I'll check every slider to see if it makes a difference. The green isn't really doing much for me, nor is the blue. So that's pretty much where I want to put it. Now, another thing that I do at this point, that looks decent, but I'm also still going to go in here. I always mess up my levels. So I'm going to grab my mids levels, and I'm going to see, like, I don't want that because I don't want, it's making my whites brighter, but it's also killing my shadow depth. So I'm going to bring my mids in, and I'll bring my whites up. And then I might also just crunch my blacks a bit. And the reason why I do this now and not later is because I want to see them pop up looking the way I want them to look. Right? So this way at least we have a really good idea of what it's going to look like. So this is pretty good. You know, your hair is reflective. Most people's hair is reflective. So even though we only have one light, we can still see the shape of Erica's hair very nicely. So that looks good. Let's see what we get. Let's frame one up nicely. And let's see what we get. Beautiful. Maybe bring your arms like, yeah, there we go. That's nice. Good, good, good. Find a good focus spot. I'm at f2, guys, so 2.8 rather, so I have very shallow depth of field. So I'm going to pick my spot that I want to focus on accordingly. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm actually focusing like somewhere around here. And depending on where she moves, I might get some blowouts, but I actually kind of like that. That's kind of what I'm going for. But there is detail there, guys, because remember, I'm doing stuff over here. So I'm not worried about that. In fact, I can see on my histogram there's detail there. So we can shoot a few. Beautiful. Good. Just like that. Nice. Beautiful. Nice and simple. Good, good, good. I'm just watching that focus spot, watching how the shadows fall. Looks really good, beautiful. Nice like that. Good, good, good. Hold on, coming around. That's beautiful. Hold like that. What's nice about this pose is you can see how it's shaping her lips really nicely. Yeah, good, good, good. Just like that, exactly. Come down a bit on my focus. I'm just tweaking it a little bit, guys. I never leave it on kind of the automatic pick a focus spot when I do this because I want to decide what's in my primary focus. Because again, it's so shallow. I could give myself more ISO and go deeper on the focus if I want, but I feel like for this, I kind of want that softer feel because I want to reflect kind of like an older time when the world was softer, I guess. That's pretty like that. Just bring your chin up a smidge, right there, right there. Beautiful, very nice. Oh yeah, moody. It's really, really cool. I love it. It's got a great feel to it. Everything looks good, you know, and if you got nervous, you could always kick all that back out and shoot in color. So it works, right? We still have it. That looks good. I love it. Awesome. Let's do one more because I feel like it. I'm just gonna move the light slightly. What I wanna do is I just wanna see if I go almost profile. You know, I love my profiles. Yeah, I'm a big profile person. All right. Do a bit of a profile. So what that's going to do is throw more shadow towards the camera, guys. I kept the light roughly the same distance, so she should be the same exposure, but we'll take a look. Yeah, there we go. That's beautiful. So do that, but turn your nose more towards the light. There we go. Beautiful, like that, and then chin down a smidge. Like that. See if we like that. Interesting, good. And then, yeah, that's good. Tip your head like this. Good, good. More, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I'm just playing with that nose shadow a little bit to see if I like it. It's cool. Yeah, lots of fun stuff there. Oh, that's nice, except not rubbing your nose. Yes, see? That's it, right there. That's it. I don't even have to look at it to know that one's going to be good. Yep, there we go. That's a half dark face shot. Let me bring this up so I can be lit. I have to light myself, guys. You know, it's part of my job. So yeah, experiment, right? When you're shooting in black and white, we did a video once before called Thinking About Black and White, and I want to touch on that a little bit here. When you're going to shoot something in black and white, it's good to know that up front because you can really think about your lighting for it. Like this light, although it probably will look pretty good in color, it's going to look better in black and white. We're really shooting it for that high contrast black and white. It's only going to look its best like this. So it's one thing to just shoot everything flat and then tweak it later, but if you know you're going to want something a certain way, shoot it the way that you want ultimately for it to end up. You're going to get better shots in the end that way. I will put Erica's information in the description so you guys can follow her. Follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer. Be sure to follow Adorama TV and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on set.